Hello everyone, today I will share with you something about my country, so let's get started. So the name of my country is Bangladesh. Bangladesh is our birthland. Bangladesh is a small but a beautiful country. The official name of our country is the People's Republic of Bangladesh. Its area is about 1,47,570 square kilometers. Bangladesh has 8 divisions, 64 districts, and 495 upazilas, almost 700 rivers. The Padma, the Meghna, the Jamuna, and the Surma is the main river of our country. There is many historical places like Wari, Bhatishar, Mohastanga, Somapara, Mohabihara, etc. So, the people of Bangladesh is brave, religious, peace-loving, and hospitable. So, Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. The name of our currency is Taka. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman declared the independence of our country on 26 March 1971. Shilpacharya Jainul Abidin is the best painter of Bangladesh. Do you know Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is the founder of Bangladesh? Do you know who is the Nobel laureate of Bangladesh? Yes, Dr. Muhammad Yunus. And the Supreme Court is the highest court of Bangladesh. So the name of our parliament is House of the Nation. I love my country very much. So that's all about my today's presentation. Next I will come up with another interesting presentation. Thanks for watching me. See you around. Ta-ra.